Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Again, this is a reminders to all the employees that assign here in Southern Mindanao area, employees in general, people in general who are receiving minimum wage earner. Maybe you are in Region 11 or in Region 12. For Region 11, definitely ang inyong net income, net salaries ninyo nasa almost 11,000. For Region 12, nasa 9,500 or 9,400 rather sa Region 12. Okay, pag nag-minimum mo sa inyong net gross kana nga amount nga gibanggit nako, please try to double check and always use the proper system. Kung nag-minimum o nag-net gross mo inana nga amount, please always leave your means para dili mo maglisod sa inyong budget. I-priority ninyo ang inyong basic needs, Davao Light or light bill, water bill, then rice, basic needs, siyempre mukaon magyud mo sudan. Please lang, usahay di ko kasabot sa mga empleyado, magsigig reklamo nga wala sila nadawat, di ka adug duty kay way kwarta, unsaon man nagkaliwat ka na ng utang. Dapat leave your means. Kung nag-need ka sa imuhang sweldo 11,000, ayaw ka paggasto 15,000 or 18,000. Kung nag-income ka og 9,500, ayaw mo paggastos og 16,000. Kay mas shortage jud ka na. Kung man maadagan at magiging problema, please leave your means. Thank you.